Midland International CB radio station manufacturer maintains its prestige and reputation in this segment of communication, supporting all drivers with different models from classic to modern with unbeatable performance with advanced features or simple as needed, as is the Midland Alan 48XL. The Midland Alan 48XL radio station offers multiple functions for complex use, such as the scanning channel function, the dual watch function that allows you to monitor two different channels, the Squelch function for adjusting the sensitivity of the reception, the EME function to memorize 4 channels, mic gain, RF gain for reception sensitivity control, and ESP2 filter for background noise reduction. The front panel includes rotating analog buttons along with dual-function digital buttons and an analog indicator that provides information on the power-level of the transceiver. With these features of the well-known Midland Alan 48XL station, with just a CB radio antenna connected, positioned and calibrated on the dome of the car, you will be able to navigate the trails much more quietly, get rid of any problems, blockage or existing unpleasantries on the road or highway.